Hi friends, you are welcome to my channel Oil, Gas, Water Knowledge Hub. This is Om Namah Shiva. Today we are going to discuss about pigging of pipelines, part 4 of 5. One more part is there, 5 of 5. That will be next week. So go ahead with the 4 of 5. See, debris and sample analysis. These things are collected and brought into this video to understand at a glance what is OSD, SOPs, pipelines. You can see this type of test analysis. Class number 4, pig residues analysis. Record of quantity and quality of deposits pig residue collected after descaling shall be examined to monitor condition of the pipeline with respect to Fe, Fe2O3, Si, SH2O, pH value and SRB, sulfates, carbonates. These are the analysis to be carried out. New pipelines, it is not applicable. During design lifespan and beyond 25 years lifespan also, 3 and 4, the quantity of muck and residue analysis of each pigging should be compared and trend should be analyzed with respect to the tendency of corrosion, deterioration of pipeline. If there is any increase in quantity of muck, corrosion product, other corrosive indications such as sulfur, pH, HDS, etc., the pigging frequency should be increased and corrosion rate should be determined. Increased trend in corrosion product is the signal that feed quality to be analyzed immediately to ascertain the corrosion. So, this is the way you have to take samples and frequency you have to carry out analysis as specified in the SOP. Learning from incidents. This is a case study as published by OISD. See, normally this pigging activity involved with high pressure conditions, liquid and air or gas. So, there are chances if the people are not properly trained or not understood the SOP and negligence during performance, nothing will happen, it will go like this. These things may lead to fatal incidents. So everyone who are trained specially, they should do with lot of dedication and high regards to safety and quality. See, I use two words, high regards to safety and quality, most important here. Otherwise, there is some fatal incidents for information purpose. An intermediate pigging station of an LPG cross-country pipeline. See, intermediate pipeline, receiving barrel, pressure gauge is here, barrel door, this is neck, entrapped LPG, stuck pig cross pig debris. Pig debris. Now you go through this. Cleaning pig consisting cup pig, brush pig and magnetic pig was launched in the LPG line which reached the next IPS after 3 days. The scrapper pig, the scrapper receiving barrel was isolated by closing the barrel body wall at a API 60 gate valve, and depressurization was carried out from the vent at B. The barrel door at C was opened and it was observed that the pig was stuck inside the barrel. There was a lot of pig residue present in front of the pig. The debris was removed by water flushing. Understand? After water flushing, the pig was being pulled out. During this operation, the coupled pig, 3 pigs were tied together, came out with a great force and hit the person standing in front of the barrel. So this is what exactly happened. The impact of the force was such that this broke the compound wall and the metal structure of the pedestal of the pig trolley. Due to the impact of the pig, there were 2 fatalities in nation. 3 other persons suffered injuries. One of them suffered major injury. See, this is what happened. This is a giant pigs. So my friends, this is barrel door. Never stand in front of the barrel door. Always stay away from the barrel door during pigging operation. Or do not stand in front of any flanges, bolted or doors, anything. It is quite normal in the operation conditions. Many people will use homemade receivers, homemade launchers. With a small pipe and all, nothing will happen. It will happen, my friend. Some cases are like this. So ensure that you are working safely. Learnings from incidents. The learnings are follows. Health assessment of the LPG pipeline must be carried out since the pig residue indicated considerable with iron content of 90.99%, indicating metal loss due to internal corrosion. See, because of the internal corrosion, there will be metal loss from inside. Nobody can see from outside. Picking must be done regularly and the residue must be analyzed as certain the health of pipelines. An additional vent and drain point with pressure gauge shall be provided in the neck portion of the barrel to drain the hydrocarbon. That is most important. Pig train must not be used with all pigs in tight condition. This is not a standard practice. So, what we have to learn is pig should not be used with fixed tight condition. They should be kept. That's why SOP is most important. Even SOP shall specify what is the distance between 2 pigs. Before commencing the pigging operation, everyone who is involved in the operation should understand and should follow the SOP. Then magnetic pig should be used only when it is ascertained that the iron content is nominal. You cannot use magnetic pigs as and when you wish. That's the reason magnetic pig should be used only when it is ascertained that the iron content is nominal. Okay. SOP has to prepare for pigging operation and it must be displayed at all the IP stations. Okay. SOPs must be properly explained to all the operating crew. While receiving the pigs, it shall be ensured that the proper venting has been carried out between barrel body, wall and the pig so that the barrel is free from any hydrocarbon. It was not done there. While receiving the pig, it shall be ensured that no person is standing directly in front of the barrel. The set pressure of PSV to be reviewed and brought down near to the MOP. CCTV camera to be provided at all the unmanned stations. Okay, thank you very much, my friends. Please watch all the videos 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, 5 of 5 of pipeline pigging. Try to understand. If you don't understand, watch again. Still any doubts? For clarification, you can talk to me. You can write to me. I will respond to each individuals, everyone. Please subscribe my channel. Lot of efforts made to create this type of videos. Your support will be highly appreciated. It is specially meant for junior engineers who wish to work in oil and gas field, and it is most useful for everyone in operations, constructions and maintenance part. Do subscribe, do write your comments. Have a wonderful time. Thank you.